I started with a sketch of a whale and then erased it a bit to make it lighter. Once I'd done that, I got fevicol and started making tiny little dots. You can use any craft glue for this process. The idea is that glue is water resistant, so wherever you want the stars, you cover it up with glue. Wait for the glue to dry up completely before starting to color your whale. I started with my first wash of black, blue and purple, and then I left this wash to dry up and started detailing the underbelly of the whale. Here I've used really thin brush and using really light thin strokes. Now I can add more color in the first wash and make the whale a bit darker. I added a bright pink and blue in the end. You can use whichever colors you like. I've used these shades because I wanted it to look like galaxy.